Now, with Jamaica on a flu alert, one medical doctor is advising persons to be extra careful with the medications they are taking. Family physician Dr. Oral Kirkland says this is critical given that the country is still experiencing a dengue outbreak. TVJ's Shamela Pullen tells us more in this evening's edition of the Health Report.
It's the flu season, and so quite a number of persons are contracting the virus. Influenza, also known as the flu, is a viral infection that attacks your respiratory system, that is your nose, throat and lungs.
Influenza is spread by the influenza virus, and the virus is spread via the respiratory system. So it is spread by someone who is infected with the virus, coughs and let out or sneeze, and it gets into the air, and someone else breathes that in, or it may be spread by the infected person getting it on their hands and getting it on the doors, the phones, and stuff that somebody else may end up touching it shortly after, and then spread the virus.
The virus often comes with a fever, headache, joint pains, and sometimes vomiting. Family physician Dr. Oral Kirkland says this virus is highly contagious. Dr. Kirkland says the flu should not be taken lightly, as it can be serious or even deadly, especially for the elderly, newborns, and people with certain chronic medical conditions. There is no specific treatment for the flu. However, the doctor is advising persons to be careful of the medications they take, given that the country continues to experience an outbreak of dengue.
So like for the pain, the fever, you take some pain tablet, paracetamol or cetamol or something like that. Also, you need to drink a lot of fluids, and you need to ensure that your immune system is well on top of the game.
There are also certain myths surrounding the virus that the medical doctor wants to clear the air on.
If you take the vaccine, then you can get influenza from it, but no, you can't. Also, that antibiotics will help with the treatment, but influenza is a virus, so antibiotics is not necessary unless there is a secondary bacterial infection going on.
Persons are encouraged to wash hands properly and avoid crowded areas where people are sneezing and coughing. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.